Hey guys, Marco from Auto Magicians with another video, this time on paintless dent repair, door ding specifically on this Audi Q7. So I want you to come just have a closer look here at what we're dealing with. This car has got multiple dents, starting with this left front door, driver door. And if you notice, we got two relatively sharp door dings on this side of the door here. It's towards the edge of the panel, which usually makes my life a little more difficult, but still definitely doable. Now, the way we would access this is, if you want to step back, I'll just show you. What we do is we bring the window down, wedge this area open. Our tools go through the panel and reach the underside of this sheet metal. And with special lights, we massage the metal out slowly, gradually, until everything, these two dents here, should pretty much come out almost 100%. Now there's multiple dents on this car, so if you want to follow me, we got some damage right here. This one's tough to see on camera, but it's a very shallow, sort of wider dent in this area right there. The way we do this one, same way as we did the other door, window down, access the underside of the metal, massage the metal up. No paint, no body work. This is all paintless dent repair. If you want to follow me, one more. I have a little bit of a crease here. Somewhat of a scuff, but we can definitely polish that out. Again, same access point. We drop the window, go under the skin, and massage the metal out. So generally what happens, the way we charge for these things, usually smaller than a loonie, it's about $90. Loonie size dent is $120, and then it goes up in small increments for one dent. Now, when we have multiple dents, usually what we could do is put together a package price for somebody. Something like this, like what you're seeing, generally, depending on the size of the dent, depending on a few factors, access, how good it's going to come out. Sometimes these things don't come out perfect. Obviously, we let the customer know beforehand, but these ones, all the ones that we're seeing here, should pretty much come out pretty much 100%. For something like this, you could expect a range of between $300, $500, rarely exceeding $500 for multiple dents on a car. That's pretty much it. Oh, usually something like this is about maybe half a day to a full day job. This one should run me about half a day, so not too long. So that's it, guys. That was another walkthrough estimate video, this time on paintless dent repair. Again, for a free estimate or for more information, feel free to call us, email us, or come visit us in person. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. That's it. See you next time.